Hey ladies, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady and I am back. The company I will be working with today is Megalook Hair. Jumping right in, I'm showing you all my goodies. Of course, I got some lashes, a wig band, an edge control brush with an adhesive stick on the side, and then of course, my wig cap and the wig. I love their little elastic bands with the adjustable straps. With the elastic straps, I love it. This is their 99J slash number 33 Bohemian Curl 5x5 HD lace wig. Get into it. I did not have to bleach the knots or plug this unit at all. We are installing it fresh out the pack. It comes with an adjustable elastic band and you just pop that in like so. It is a 5x5 like I said. And today we are going to be doing a bald capless install. I didn't do no bald cap. I'm just going to go in with makeup on top of my hair. I already had my hair slicked back with a middle part, and here I am just putting some makeup on top of my hair. I'm also going to use this Kiss New York Cover Care Cream Foundation in the shade Chestnut. I went in with the NARS foundation, which was lighter than my skin tone just because my hair is black, and then I go over with this just so it actually matches the color of my skin. I didn't want to look ashy. And now I'm going to take that excess color that I have on my makeup brush and just pop that right into the lace on the inside and on the outside. We can't be looking like lace. We need it to look like scalp. Once I get through with that, I'm going to take my cuticle scissors and cut off the end tabs on the closure, the little thick pieces as you guys can see on both sides. You want to go ahead and cut those off. I try my best to get everything in frame for the camera, but as you guys can see as the video goes on, I was really lacking in that department. But we're going to make it do what it do, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor after I put a little slit in the middle, and I'm going to cut the excess lace off. Now, be mindful not to cut too much lace because you don't want your hairline showing, and don't leave a whole bunch of lace also, if that makes sense, because you don't want your hairline showing, and then you don't want your actual lace, like a whole bunch of lace showing as well. So cut it to your liking. Now I'm going to take this Edge Fixer 24-hour max hold wax stick, and it is scented, called Sweet Peach. It smells so good, y'all. I got this from my local Walmart for about $7. Now I'm gonna take my what is that thing? Y'all, just lost my train of thought. Hot comb, and I got this from my local Target for about $50. It is a Conair brand hot comb, and I'm just running this through the top of the hair, getting any lumps, bumps, anything out. We need this to look flat like scalp, okay? Once I get that pressed out to my liking, I'm going to go in with this NK in the shade 4 concealer. It's a Perfection multi-use concealer, but it's NK New York brand. And I'm going to take this precision slanted eyeshadow brush or eyeliner brush, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to pop that concealer right into my part. I did get a little bit on my hair, which made the part look crooked, but I'm going to go ahead and fix that off camera and then come back with it looking correct, okay? Once I get through with that, I'm going to pop a little bit of Got to Be Glued hairspray on the hair, not on the lace. And I'm just using that to kind of mold my hairline how I want it to lay. You kind of want it like bumped a little bit, not laying super flat, where at least I don't like it flat to my head. And like I said, I'm just molding the hairline to my liking, getting everything nice and slick back. We are going to do a no baby hair look. I've been fiending for the no baby hair looks lately, and I don't know, I think they always eat with a closure. Like, it's cute and simple. Now I'm going to take my Ebin Wonder Lace spray, and y'all, I was feeling myself for a second, and I'm just going to pop that into my lace right in the front. You only need a little bit because this is basically going to be like a glueless or semi-glueless install. Nothing crazy. If you want to take it off later on in the day, you can. I'm going to use my Songbird blow dryer on a low medium heat and the rat tail part of my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to blow dry that until everything's nice and secure. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my water bottle, spray bottle, and all it has is water in it, and I'm just going to lightly wet the rest of the hair. This hair texture was really good. I thought it was a deep wave. Come to find out, it's a bohemian wave, so it's really cute. It didn't get really poofy. I didn't have to brush it out and everything like that. I could literally finger comb through the hair and fluff it out to how I liked it. So I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. You don't want it soaking wet where it's dripping down, but just get it wet enough to where you can define the curl pattern. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb through the hair, defining the curl pattern. Like I said, getting it how I like it, where it's not all big and poofy. And I'm just only running it through a couple of times and then just scrunching it up a little bit to give it, you know, that body. I hate when you have textured hair and the roots be bone straight. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm going to put some Shine and Jam finishing mousse on the hair just to set in that water that we just put in. You don't have to put a whole bunch. A little goes a long way. So as you guys can see, one pump got me a good little bit, and then I just go in with a little bit for the back and the ends of the hair, but you absolutely do not need a whole bunch. And the Shine and Jam, I find that product doesn't make the hair hard and crunchy. It's still soft to touch, and like I said, it gives it a shine to it once it dries. So I would definitely recommend that. I got that from my local beauty supply store. But yeah, make sure you just get a nice little even coat, hit them ends, make sure everything's looking nice and sealed. We don't want no frizziness or nothing like that. And this is a 360 of the wig. Once everything was set in, I wanted to show you guys the back. The texture is definitely giving vacation vibes. I'm loving this color, okay? I am a big fan of the 99J, as you guys can see. Like, my last 3 videos have been 99J, but I don't know, the color just eats on my skin tone, okay? I love it. Get into the luster, get into the shine, get into that body. And this is only 180 density. For this to be 28 inches and 180 density, it was thick root to tip, okay? You couldn't see through that hair at all. You hear me? You feel me? And then this is the texture up close, showing you guys up close and personal. Really, really, really cute. I'm telling you, definitely vacation vibes. Vacation, vacation, vacation. Okay? If y'all like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I've been super, super busy, y'all. Working, doing hair. I got an announcement to make, which I need to start vlogging for, but I got announcements to make that I'm going to be dropping. But overall, I definitely recommend this hair, 10 out of 10. Again, this is Megalook Hair Bohemian 5x5 HD 99J/number 33 curl wig. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Mwah.